Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy event of the week. Each week, our staff of educators tries to introduce you to a person of interest in the financial world. This could be a person in government or banking, or an important investor or trader. Over the next coming months, ITA will take a look into each US presidential candidate. In this video, we're going to take a look at Jeb Bush. Jeb Bush had a plan for the last 6 months he spent as an unannounced candidate for president. He would raise tens of millions of dollars, distinguish himself from his brother's controversial presidency, start winning over conservatives, and establish himself as the Republican to beat for his party's nomination. Other than raising the money, little has gone as he'd hoped. He'd been torn between defending and distancing himself from George W. Bush, been unable to assuage party activists uneasy with his immigration and education views, and run into a wall of opposition on the right. And now, as he prepares to make his candidacy official on Monday, Mr. Bush finds himself in a position he could not have imagined, part of a pack of candidates, and the target of questions about his own competence and conservatism. Jeb Bush served as governor of Florida from 1999 to 2007. He also ran unsuccessfully for governor in 1994. He is the son of the 41st President, George H.W. Bush, and the brother of the 43rd President, George W. Bush. Bush grew up in Houston, Texas. He graduated from the Phillips Academy in Andover, Massachusetts, and attended the University of Texas, where he earned a degree in Latin American affairs. Following his father's successful run for vice president in 1980, he moved to Florida and pursued a career in real estate development. In 1986, Bush was named Florida's Secretary for Commerce, a position he held until his resignation in 1988 to help his father's successful campaign for the presidency. In 1994, Bush made his first run for the office, narrowly losing the election for governor by less than 2 percentage points to the incumbent Lawton Charles. Bush ran again in 1998 and beat Lieutenant Governor Buddy McKay with 55% of the vote. He ran for re-election in 2002 and won with 56% to become Florida's first 2-term Republican governor. During his 8 years as governor, Bush was cited with initiating environmental improvements such as conservation in the Everglades, supporting caps for medical malpractice litigation, moving Medicaid recipients to private systems, and instituting reforms to the state education system, including the assurance of vouchers and promoting school choice. Frequently cited by the media as a possible candidate for president in 2016, in mid-December 2014, Bush announced he would explore the possibility of running for president, a campaign he is expected to formally launch on in the next days.